to create support and resistance, you have to have a minimum of 3 candles going in, 3 candles going out. At no point as a trader am I ever going to ask you to process the data like that. Those are definitions, though. You can't have a pivot without a certain amount of time between those pivots. And so, because you don't want to have crazy randomness going up and down every single day, we have to have some degree of semblance to technical analysis. Even in the craziest of the volatility, guys, I still believe the technical read has been the most accurate read by a mile. In the craziness of the last month, the technical read has been by far the best read in the marketplace. Now, that technical read has not really held any degree of support level. That's the hope around that very major pivot around the 480 to 470 area. One catalyst that I really like to look at is that old support, new resistance. We call it horizontal resistance, horizontal support. So you have 2 types of support and resistance. You have horizontal, you have vertical. Vertical is trend lines. Vertical is moving averages. Everything else is horizontal. So horizontal is significant whole numbers. Horizontal is previous pivots. Horizontal is Fibonacci numbers. Dynamic areas of vertical moving, vertical support resistance, which will move over time, are trend lines and moving averages. And so you have horizontal, principle of polarity, Fibonacci, significant whole numbers.